Welcome back to the Weekly Window by Indica News, your weekly rundown of the top stories impacting Indian and Indian American communities. It's August 2nd, 2026. Stanford professor Sumit Ganguly says the government's proposed NEET task force is unlikely to address the deep-rooted structural problems in India's education system. He argues that broader institutional reforms are needed to restore public confidence. Experts say the world is witnessing an unprecedented surge in computing power, fueled by the rapid growth of artificial intelligence. The race for advanced chips and massive data centers is reshaping global technology leadership. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a high-level panel led by Infosys co-founder Nandan Nilekani to rebuild trust in India's examination system. The committee will recommend technology-driven reforms to improve transparency and accountability. Major League Cricket wrapped up its biggest season yet, with record attendance and growing fan interest. League officials say expansion plans and the 2028 Olympics could further accelerate cricket's growth in the United States. US-based Marvell Technology plans to invest $250 million in India while doubling its workforce over the next 3 years. The move strengthens India's position as a major semiconductor innovation hub. Researchers from India and the United States are collaborating on an AI-driven soybean breeding project aimed at developing climate-resilient, high-yield crops. The initiative highlights growing agricultural technology cooperation between the two countries. Indian-American academic Harsha Gangadhar Butler has been appointed interim dean of the UNC Hussman School of Journalism and Media. He will guide the school during its leadership transition. Indian-origin researcher Siddhartha Sigdar has joined VASEM, bringing expertise in advanced engineering and research. His appointment is expected to strengthen the organization's innovation initiatives. Padma Bhushan awardee Dr. Dattatreya Nori says India has a promising future in preventing cervical cancer through vaccination, early screening and public awareness. He emphasizes that timely intervention can save thousands of lives. Health experts are urging people to take extra precautions during the monsoon season by maintaining hygiene, drinking safe water, and preventing mosquito-borne diseases. Early care can significantly reduce seasonal illnesses. An Indian-origin surgeon is helping remove brain tumors through minimally invasive procedures that avoid opening the skull. The innovative technique offers patients faster recovery with fewer complications. Former bureaucrat Anil Swarup says the NEET controversy underscores the urgent need for credible reforms in India's examination system. He stresses that rebuilding trust must remain the top priority. China continues expanding its digital Silk Road through investments in digital infrastructure, telecommunications and technology partnerships worldwide. Analysts say the strategy is reshaping global digital geopolitics. Author Taslima Nasreen has once again expressed her desire to return to Kolkata, a city she considers home. Her appeal has renewed discussions about free expression and political asylum. Indian Americans gathered in Washington, D.C. to commemorate America's 250th anniversary with cultural performances and patriotic celebrations. The event highlighted the community's growing contribution to American society. As Ajinkya Rahane's career winds down, cricket observers say his calm leadership and resilience will leave a legacy that extends far beyond statistics. He is remembered as one of India's most dependable team players. The West Indies are showing renewed promise in Test cricket with a talented new generation of players. Analysts believe the Caribbean side is finally transforming potential into consistent performances. That's for this week roundup. Stay informed with the Weekly Window by Indica News. For detailed stories and more updates, visit www.indicanews.com. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next week.